Are you ready to go freelance? Are you wanting to learn everything about how to become a successful freelancer? Are you interested in going from part-time to full-time, or wanting to explore this as a viable career option? This course has a special focus on creative freelancers, or anyone who uses their creative skill sets in their craft. This includes graphic designers, illustrators, photographers, web designers, UX/UI designers, and more. Although everyone can get a ton out of this class, even if you do not use creative talents in your line of work. This extensive course reviews all aspects of the freelancing process, including setting your business goals, creating your list of services, and finding your target market. We will craft our freelancing story together to write effective bios, marketing copy, and write a compelling mission statement. We will learn what goes into powerful personal freelance branding. We'll work through the brainstorming of a logo design, the creation of a letterhead and business card, and learn how to create and use branded assets to make yourself look incredibly professional and consistent. We will learn the power of stellar portfolios and how to best present your work in several different formats, including a PDF portfolio and web-based portfolio. We'll even review how to post your work to third-party websites. Finding clients is the hardest part of freelancing, and we'll spend plenty of time reviewing the many different ways to secure clients online, offline, and on social media. We'll learn to write fantastic bios and profile descriptions to present ourselves in the best way possible to potential clients. We even spend time creating an Upwork profile and learn how to use freelancer websites to find work efficiently. Pricing your work is essential to maximizing your earnings as a freelancer, and we'll learn several different ways to price your work. We'll go over the benefits and downsides to both hourly and fixed rate pricing. We'll find ways to help us create accurate and profitable quotes, and even work through several practice quotes to get comfortable pricing our work. After finding clients, sometimes working with clients can be just as challenging, and we'll learn how to create contracts that properly protect us and talk about upfront deposits, project scope, and more. And we even work through a contract together, and I provide a basic contract as a downloadable resource. We work through several negative client situations and talk about best ways to navigate those common client issues. And finally, we'll work through copyright issues as we review best practices for using fonts, photos, and graphic resources for client work and projects. Managing your income and cash flow is vital to your success. We'll discuss when might be the right time for you to move from part-time to full-time freelance, and maybe even when to quit your job. We also review cash flow basics and how to properly manage your income from month to month. This course is dynamic, and there'll be additional content added to the course. And speaking of downloadable resources, this course has more than all my prior classes combined, with over 100 pages of written content downloadable in a nice bite-sized resources that go along with each section. So you can work through the class with videos and resources, adding another level of engagement to this course. Are you ready to start adding value to the world you never thought was possible before? Are you ready to be your own boss or make your current freelancing side gig a bigger deal? I am more than excited and proud to present this Freelance Masterclass to you today. The best thing we can do as freelancers is stay in community with each other, and that's why all students of this course will have access to an exclusive student Facebook group where they can support each other, ask questions, and we'll thrive together. So are you ready to open up your world to freelancing? I'll see you in the first lesson.